Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing this beautiful 2018 Racing Miku. So here we have Miku in her box. She looks fantastic. On the one side we have a picture of the figure. On the back we just have a few more angles and pictures of the figure. The other side has the artwork that she's based off of. And the top has this cool little window with Good Smile Racing on it. Alright, so here we are opening her up. So the first thing in the box was this little card of the car that she's based on for 2018. And the instructions, which were actually pretty helpful for this figure. Alright, so first we have the base, which is a very neat little base. I like it. It's nothing crazy, but it's pretty cool. Here we have the knee support. Next up, we have the staff. I really like the paint job on this staff. I think it looks fantastic, and I like the kind of red gradient that is painted onto the gold. Here we have her left pigtail. And now I'm pulling Miku out of the packaging. She's huge. I didn't expect her to be so big. And her right pigtail. So here you can see her just a little bit more up close. I'll have some better shots once we've put her together. So essentially you just insert the peg on the stand into her left foot and she kind of hovers there. I honestly think she could support herself like this, but I wouldn't want lean, so I would definitely recommend using the knee stand that they provide. Alright, the easy part is done. Now time to attach the pigtails. So I've left in a little montage here of me struggling to insert the pigtails. The left pigtail wasn't too bad, but the right pigtail was basically impossible. So I actually ended up running her head under warm water to expand it so I could get the pigtail in. Alright, now we are attaching the staff. So it just separates and then slides through her hand, and then you just attach the top to the stick. And you kind of balance it there. And Miku has been assembled.